Hey everyone, and welcome back to our YouTube channel. This video will be a tutorial for beginners on the Shopify SEO optimization. This is extremely important when optimizing your Shopify platform for maximized Google and search engine rankings. It also allows you to consistently drive targeted organic traffic through deliberate SEO configurations. So we're going to be covering researching and selecting focus keywords, optimizing individual store pages using keywords, configuring technical elements like sitemaps and metadata, and more. So without much further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, what is SEO and why does it matter? SEO stands for Search Engine Optimization, and this refers to the strategic process of optimizing different elements of an online business to improve visibility and rankings in search engines such as Google. And the goal here is to help these search engines easily understand a website's core purpose, offerings, and value, so it determines the store provides the most relevant authoritative results for the associated keyword searches, and in turn sites ranking highly for search terms and higher visibility in results. So of course, this leads to increased organic traffic from customers specifically looking for those types of products or services. And deliberate SEO is essential because earning more targeted organic visibility through rankings allows scaling traffic. And you can expand your brand reach and sales without relying solely on expensive pay-per-click advertising spending. And now on to researching and selecting the target keywords. The foundation of executing effective SEO is identifying the specific keyword terms and semantics that you want your individual Shopify store products or content to rank for. And those likely align with priority search queries customers would enter into Google to discover your offerings while exploring a given niche. So for example, an online candle business may target core keywords such as scented candles, custom candle gifts, or local candle shops near me. And once you isolate a short list of 3 to 5 primary and secondary terms that attract searches, we can optimize the pages accordingly so search engines make the keyword and relevance connections to rank our store above competitors. And that's why we should leverage the Google's Keyword Planner. It's my go-to free tool for researching volume and expansion suggestions around seed keywords, and it is pretty intuitive to use. So let's walk through an example. Let's imagine that I operate an e-commerce shop selling soaps, and my goal is to rank well for buyers interested in this niche. So I would start by entering a core or general keyword such as handmade soap into the planner so that you can pull a report with higher volume, related terms along with monthly searches and competitor data for each. And from there we can start isolating the top 2 or 3 primary and secondary terms with high search volume and clear relevance to our store's offerings for strategic ranking prioritization. So for my handmade soap shop, optimal terms could be, if let's say the primary focus keyword is handmade soap, we can get the secondary keywords such as natural bar soap or organic body soap or milk and honey soap. And now you have so much high potential keywords that I can shift into on-page optimization around these terms to start improving search visibility. And now that we have these stores target keywords isolated, let's overview exactly how to integrate them into our actual Shopify store. So within your collection pages, there are a few key locations that you want to deliberately feature keywords and topic relevant content. And those are the page title tag. So onto the page title tag, you should enter the handmade bar soaps with primary term or whatever keyword you want to be using. And then we've got the heading 1. That's where you can add even more keywords and say discover our natural and organic body soaps. Page description, of course, detailed paragraph overview featuring the chosen keyword terms. And there is the search engine listing snippet. So from there you want to custom preview title and 2 to 3 line meta description. And optimizing these critical on-page elements directly reflect our focus keywords and overall offering themes that help search engines better grasp our individual collection pages while properly indexing them relevant associations around our niche. And this amplifies your page visibility and authority. There is also the products section where you want to optimize your Shopify product pages, as the product pages follow the same fundamental format for inserting descriptive keyword-rich elements that search engines analyze for relevance and ranking signals. There is the page title that you want to feature exact match or semantic keywords. There is the heading 1 for repeated priority terms, description paragraphs with the body content with embedded target terms, and even the image file names. And once your core SEO foundation is established through these deliberate on-page optimizations, the final step is tracking keyword rankings over time. So monitor your core terms monthly in Google to gauge the positioning improvements based on tweaks. And of course, be patient. SEO is an iterative, long game with compounding results. But over weeks and months, pages will ascend for those high potential terms that you targeted earlier. And that will be a wrap on today's video. Thanks so much for watching. Let us know if you have any other questions in the comment section down below. And if you found today's video to be helpful or informative to watch, then give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you don't miss out on any follow-up content that we can make related to this one.